Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, December 6th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY IWMN. Triple Qs, and we all have large playgrounds for these algos to play in. We did go out with B shapes for long liquidation, although please keep in mind Triple Qs has one set of singles. They filled one late in M period, but they still have their singles in B. We had an attempt at an inside day up, inside day down, outside day down. They all failed for both SPY and the Russell. Our destinations and reference points are far and wide apart. So if anybody tries to tell you they know exactly where this market's going to go this morning, ignore them. Expect tremendous chop. We're going to need the initial balance form the first hour, see who takes out the IB high or low after that. Good chance for an inside day today. We have a large sell tail in all three of these. Friday's low, incredibly important. The monthly is balanced, the weekly is down, the daily, you can call it balanced, you can call it down, but the bottom line is this, right? If we take out Friday's low, I see more downside to the low 440s, maybe even to the mid 430s. And the Santa Claus rally, I don't think we would see a new high. If we're able to defend Friday's low and eventually start grinding up, doesn't have to be today, but within the next day or so, to take out a daily high and start moving higher. Again, there's not a lot of destinations to the upside, but there is some real estate to cover, right? Our all-time high is $473.54. We're $19 from it. So even though there's not a lot of upside destinations and they're far and wide apart, that is a vacuum. So, but again, we're going to have first step first, and that's to take out either Friday's high or tomorrow take out today's high if we have an inside day. Again, pre-market volume 700,000. Not bad considering there's close to 90 minutes to go to the opening. Our volume and ranges have been tremendous. Overnight high is 456.85. Overnight low 452.46 right now. As far as the game plan, like I said, it's going to be very tough to decipher early, right? Buyers want to stay above value and start eating away at this large sell tail. Sellers, on the other hand, want to get accepted into value, trade down to that 8-wide POC or 9-wide POC, right? Do we have a 9-wide or is it? Yeah, we were 9-wide. So any acceptance into value, and odds are you will go trade at that 9-wide POC. So those really are the two important things. Buyers want to keep value higher. Sellers want acceptance in to get to the 9-wide POC. That's your early looks. Until we get more MGI, until we get the initial balance, until we see who wins the open, it's pretty tough to say, okay, I'd sell it here, I'd buy it here. Sure, you could take a sale against the overnight high, right? Right now, the overnight, against the overnight high, it's higher than B's high, that's for sure. So if it was to push up into the sell tail, you want to take a put play the first time against the overnight high, you can do that. Just remember, it will be done with higher value. Same on the flip side. If you were to push down, our 9-wide is that's 451.77. The overnight low is 452.46. It gets down there. First time you want to front run it, you can do that. Other than that, I would wait for more MGI. And then again, I'll just show you the daily. That's the important one right now. We need to get above Friday's high at some point. Whether it's today, whether it's tomorrow, it needs to be done. On the flip side, as a seller, you want to take out Friday's low, continue this push down. 3 days, we've traded back and forth through the 50-day moving average, closed below it one day, closed above it one day, closed right on it on Friday. Right now, it's 453.31. We're trading about $1.40 higher than it pre-market. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.